Okay, today I'll be showing Honda Civic and how to replace the starter. Starter is located right under this box. To get started, we have to take the battery off. Unplug it. You don't have to take it off, just unplug it. And then take this off. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe 5 bolts to remove this. And then we'll get to the starter. So what you want to do is grab the 10mm to loosen the plus and minus for the battery. Also 10mm to remove these filter bolts. So there's your starter right here, and this is the new one that we got. It looks like this. It's used new, but that's how it's gonna look. So to take it off, there's some bolts in there. So let's get started. So you will need a 14mm for 2 bolts in there. Take it off. But before you do that, you want to disconnect this and this. Remove this just by pulling it up. And this one's gonna be 12mm. So grab the 14mm to remove these bolts. So when you take it off, make sure this one, shorter one, goes on this side and the longer one goes on that side. The longer one this side, shorter one this side. So out with the old, then in with the new. So So thank you for watching, and to put it back just the way you took it off, and do everything backwards. Thank you for watching.